Every time a flight takes off, passengers believe they understand how airports and airlines work. Tickets are booked, security is cleared, boarding passes are scanned, and the journey begins. But behind the calm announcements, flashing departure boards, and glass-walled terminals, a hidden system is always running quietly. Airports and airlines operate on secrets that affect ticket prices, safety decisions, luggage handling, seating comfort, and even flight delays. These secrets are not mistakes. They are carefully designed systems meant to protect profits, reduce costs, and keep passengers unaware of how things truly function. Today's video reveals 13 airport secrets airlines are actually keeping quiet about. These truths may completely change the way airports and flights are viewed forever. Before revealing these secrets, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so none of the upcoming discoveries are missed. Now, let us uncover the truth. Secret number 10. Boarding zones are mostly psychological. Boarding groups are not always designed for efficiency. They are designed to create order and reduce stress among passengers. By assigning numbers or zones, airlines create a sense of fairness and control, even when the actual boarding process could be faster. Priority boarding often appears valuable, but in many cases, it only provides early access to overhead bins. Airlines use boarding hierarchy as a way to sell upgrades and premium services, turning simple waiting time into a profitable feature. Secret number 9. Lost luggage is rarely truly lost. Most luggage labeled as lost is not missing permanently. Bags are often delayed, misrouted, or held in storage areas due to time constraints and transfer issues. Airlines delay delivering these bags because it is cheaper to compensate passengers than to immediately resolve the issue. Many airports operate massive luggage warehouses filled with unclaimed or delayed bags. The process of reconnecting luggage is slower than passengers expect because speed is not financially prioritized. Airlines quietly rely on compensation policies to manage frustration rather than fixing the system immediately. Secret number 8. Flights are sometimes overbooked on purpose. Overbooking is not a mistake. It is a calculated decision based on historical data showing that a certain number of passengers will not show up. Airlines sell more tickets than available seats to ensure maximum occupancy and profit. When everyone shows up, passengers are asked to volunteer for later flights. Compensation is often cheaper than flying with empty seats on previous journeys. This system benefits airlines while creating stress and inconvenience for travelers who happen to be affected. Secret number 7. Cabin cleanliness is rushed more than expected. Aircraft cleaning between flights is far quicker than most passengers realize. In many cases, cleaning crews have less than 15 minutes to prepare the cabin. This means surfaces such as tray tables, seat pockets, and armrests may not be thoroughly sanitized. Airlines prioritize on-time departures over deep cleaning. While major messes are addressed, many high-touch areas are quickly wiped or skipped entirely. The appearance of cleanliness is often more important than actual hygiene standards. Secret number 6. Delays are often preventable, but financially convenient. Not all flight delays are caused by weather or technical issues. Some delays happen because airlines are waiting to consolidate passengers from multiple flights or optimize crew schedules. Delaying one flight can prevent the cancellation of another, saving money overall. Passengers are usually given vague explanations because detailed transparency would reveal cost-driven decisions. Airlines rely on general announcements to avoid accountability while maintaining operational flexibility. Secret number 5. Seat selection is designed to generate extra profit. Seat selection appears to be about comfort and preference. but it is actually a revenue strategy. Airlines deliberately assign random seats during basic booking to create dissatisfaction. This discomfort pushes passengers to pay extra to secure preferred seats. Even seats with minimal differences are labeled as premium to increase perceived value. Middle seats are often left unattractive on purpose, so aisle and window seats can be sold at higher prices. Families and groups are frequently separated automatically, increasing the chances that passengers will pay to sit together. What seems like personalization is actually a carefully engineered upselling system. Secret number 4. Airport security is not always about safety. Security procedures vary widely between airports, not because of different threat levels, but because of staffing, budget limitations, and time pressure. Some checks exist more to reassure passengers than to stop real threats. Random screenings are often used to create uncertainty rather than effectiveness. Airports focus on speed during peak hours, which means certain checks are relaxed to keep passenger flow moving. The goal is to avoid long queues that could impact retail spending inside terminals. Safety remains important, but efficiency and revenue often influence how security is actually enforced. Secret number 3. In-flight air is cleaner than expected, but cabins are not. Airplane cabin air is filtered through high-efficiency systems that remove most bacteria and viruses. This makes the air itself relatively clean. However, the surfaces inside the cabin tell a different story. Tray tables, seat belts, armrests, and seat pockets are among the least cleaned areas on an aircraft. Because turnaround time is limited, deep sanitation rarely happens between flights. Airlines rely on air filtration systems to maintain health standards, while quietly overlooking surface hygiene. Passengers trust the environment without realizing where the real risks exist. Secret number 2. Airline compensation rules are designed to discourage claims. Airlines have strict compensation policies, but they are intentionally complex and unclear. Many passengers qualify for refunds, hotel stays, or cash compensation without realizing it. Airlines rarely volunteer this information and often wait for passengers to ask directly. The process is made confusing on purpose, so fewer people submit claims. Long forms, delayed responses, and vague explanations reduce the number of successful requests. Airlines save millions each year simply because passengers do not know their rights or give up during the process. Secret number 1. Airports make more money from shopping than flights. Airports are not just transportation hubs. They are massive shopping centers with runways attached. A large portion of airport revenue comes from retail stores, duty-free shopping, advertising, and food outlets. Flight operations often exist to bring customers into these commercial zones. Terminal layouts are carefully designed to force passengers through shopping areas after security. Gates are placed far apart to increase walking time and exposure to stores. Delays conveniently increase shopping opportunities. Airports are engineered to maximize spending, not convenience. Airports may look organized, predictable, and transparent, but behind the glass walls and polished floors lies a system built on strategy, psychology, and profit. Every announcement, every delay, and every service is part of a larger design that most travelers never question. Understanding these hidden airport secrets does not change the need to fly, but it changes the way air travel is seen. Awareness turns confusion into clarity, and frustration into knowledge. The next time a terminal is walked through or a boarding pass is scanned, these secrets will be impossible to forget. If this video revealed something surprising, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so more hidden truths like this are never missed. The journey does not end here. Many more secrets are still waiting to be uncovered.